Tacna, Peru is located in southern Peru, about 20 miles north of the border with Chile. Rotoplas travels with all the supplies they need, packed in those brown cartons that travel all the way with us.
Si tu vida está llena de pecados, si tu vida está llena de temor, acércate a Jesús el Salvador.
We see a lot of burn victims. This woman received surgery to give her more range of motion in her neck. Now she can lift her head up.
Y con su amor te dará nuevas vestiduras, con su sangre limpiará tu corazón, te hará su hijo, te hará su siervo, para que lleves el mensaje al pecador.